Today's video, as you can see, I've just planted an orange and a lemon. I'm bloody out of breath again. And we've got another olive to go in here. But as you can see, just a bit of an update. The olives are going really good. And we're just doing a little bit of a tidy up on the hill. Some motor zapping. You can see the motor zapping difference, how it does it. So we'll rake it all down to probably where I am, where the olive's going. And then motor zap that. Remove that plastic, and that is a good afternoon, I reckon. But we'll give the end result soon. This now for about a week now, probably another couple more days, and then we're going to get into sowing some winter spring veggies. Just want to let the soil breathe a bit better, so it's able to get more nutrients in it. As you can see, we regenerated the orange tree and the lemon. They do say that we do have problems here with frost and snow and it's not good for them, but down here I think they're pretty good. There's another olive which gives us 7 in total. We've got to put another 4 in, and that should give us at least a year's supply of olives. But apart from that, it's a really good. It's coming up nicely. It's getting cleaner and cleaner. I've just had a few things like Mr. Meow being sick. Xavier's had to get his braces organised. Got a whole lot of wood to cut down the bottom. But apart from that, we're coming along pretty good. How's that? It's pretty good. It's just regenerating because we've taken so many trees out that we're planting more in there. And we'll tidy up as we go along, and it won't take long. We've got a few of these just to trim up a little bit because there's some dead ends on that. But they won't take too long. So thanks for watching, guys. Thanks for subscribing. Thanks for the thinking of Mr. Meow. Like, subscribe, share with your friends. We have more exciting stuff happening.